Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Statuspage for automated updates from alerts step by step clearly. To authorize with Statuspage for automated updates from alerts, begin by navigating to the Statuspage website. Log into your Statuspage account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the API section in your account settings. Click on the API link to access your API keys. If you don't have an existing API key, select the option to create a new one. Provide a label for your API key to easily identify its purpose later. Set the permissions based on the access level needed for automated updates. After configuring the permissions, click the Create button. Your new API key will be generated and displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy this key immediately, as it will not be shown again. Next, open the alerting tool or service that you want to connect with Statuspage. Locate the section in your alerting tool for integrating external services. Select Statuspage from the list of available integrations. When prompted, paste the API key you copied earlier into the appropriate field. Fill in any additional required fields, such as the Statuspage ID or component details. Save the integration settings to ensure that the connection is established. To test the integration, trigger a test alert from your alerting tool. Check your Statuspage for the automated update to confirm the integration was successful. If the update appears as expected, your setup is complete. Monitor the alerts and updates to ensure everything functions smoothly over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.